Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving into the beauty and benefits of brick garden edging, and let's learn how to install, decorate, and create stunning outdoor spaces with this timeless material. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're diving into the world of brick garden edging. This versatile and timeless material can add a touch of elegance and functionality to any outdoor space. Let's explore what brick garden edging is, its benefits, installation tips, and decorative ideas to help you create a stunning garden. Brick garden edging is a landscaping technique that involves using bricks to create a border or boundary around garden beds, pathways, or other outdoor features. It serves both aesthetic and practical purposes, defining the shape of your garden, preventing soil erosion, and adding a touch of visual interest. In addition to its decorative value, brick garden edging offers several practical advantages that can improve the overall health and appearance of your garden. Here are some of the benefits of brick garden edging. First, durability. Bricks are a long-lasting material that can withstand harsh weather conditions and heavy foot traffic. Second, versatility. Brick garden edging can be used in various garden styles, from traditional to modern. Third, aesthetics. Bricks offer a natural and timeless look that complements many plants and architectural styles. Fourth, functionality. Brick edging helps contain soil, prevents weeds, and creates a defined pathway. Fifth, value. Brick garden edging can enhance the overall appeal and value of your property. Installing brick garden edging can be a rewarding DIY project that adds both beauty and functionality to your outdoor space. With the right tools and a little patience, you can create a stunning border for your garden beds or pathways. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of installing brick garden edging. First, plan your design. Determine the shape and size of your garden beds and pathways. Second, prepare the area. Remove any existing edging or debris and level the ground. Third, create a trench. Dig a trench along the desired border, approximately 4 to 6 inches deep. Fourth, lay the foundation. Add a layer of sand or gravel to the bottom of the trench for drainage. Fifth, place the bricks. Position the bricks in the trench, ensuring they are level and secure. Sixth, fill in the gaps. Use sand or soil to fill in the gaps between the bricks. Now that you've successfully installed your brick garden edging and created a strong foundation for your outdoor space, it's time to add your personal touch. Decorating your brick edging can transform your garden into a truly unique and inviting oasis. Here are the steps for decorating your brick garden edging to look good. First, add plants. Plant colorful flowers, shrubs, or ground cover plants along the edge of your garden beds. Second, incorporate lighting. Install landscape lighting to highlight your brick edging and create a nighttime ambience. Third, create a pathway. Use brick pavers to create a pathway that leads through your garden. Fourth, add decorative elements. Incorporate statues, fountains, or other decorative elements to enhance the visual appeal of your garden. Fifth, experiment with different colors and textures. Use bricks in various colors and textures to create a unique and personalized look. Now that you have a solid understanding of the benefits and installation techniques for brick garden edging, let's explore some creative ways to incorporate this versatile material into your outdoor space. Here are 10 inspiring ideas to help you design a garden that is both functional and visually appealing. 1. Classic straight edge. A simple yet elegant design that creates a clean and defined border. 2. Curved edge. A more organic and flowing look that adds visual interest to your garden. 3. Zigzag edge. A playful and unique design that can create a dynamic and eye-catching border. 4. Stacked brick wall. A more substantial and dramatic option that can add height and dimension to your garden. 5. Herringbone pattern. A classic pattern that adds texture and visual interest to your brick edging. 6. Random pattern. A more informal and natural look that can create a rustic and charming feel. 7. Combination of patterns. Mix and match different patterns for a more eclectic and personalized design. 8. Inlaid brick designs. Create intricate designs or patterns by using bricks of different colors or sizes. 9. Vertical brick walls. Add height and dimension to your garden by creating vertical brick walls along the edge of your beds. 10. Brick stepping stones. Create a pathway through your garden using brick stepping stones for a natural and rustic look. Brick garden edging is a versatile and timeless material that can elevate the beauty and functionality of your outdoor space. By following these tips and exploring the various design options, you can create a stunning and personalized garden that will be enjoyed for years to come. Remember to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more home decor and design inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.